Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I paint a beautiful sky with clouds using watercolor. Let's dive in and enjoy the process together. First, I start by thoroughly wetting the paper with a clean large brush. This step is crucial because it helps the colors blend smoothly and creates that soft dreamy effect we want for the sky. Make sure the paper is evenly wet but not soaking. This technique is known as wet on wet and it allows the colors to flow effortlessly. Next, I mix a generous amount of water with cobalt blue, a touch of orange and a drop of alizarin crimson. This creates a nice white base for our clouds. This mix also gives a great shade well suited to show the shadows in the clouds. Now I apply this mix to the wet paper, letting the color spread and paint naturally. I use broad sweeping strokes to cover the area quickly and evenly. This will be the best layer for our sky and clouds. Don't worry about being too precise here. The beauty of watercolor is in its fluidity and the unexpected patterns that emerge. Once that first layer is not completely dry, I mix the same colors again, but this time I make them slightly more intense. This will add depth and dimension to the clouds. I carefully layer this more vibrant mix over the previous wash, focusing on areas where I want the clouds to appear deeper and richer. I paint the sky with a light blue, leaving some areas white for the clouds. It's important to keep your strokes fluid and gentle. I gradually build up the color, paying attention to the natural flow of the paint. This helps create the illusions of a vast open sky with subtle variations in tone. To soften the edges of the sky and clouds, I use a clean brush. I dip it in water, blot it on a paper towel and gently blend the edges. This helps create a smooth transition between colors and gives the clouds a soft fluffy appearance. I repeat this process several times, always making sure my brush is clean and slightly damp. For a bit of contrast, I mix cobalt blue with a darker shade like ultramarine or Payne's gray. I add this to certain areas of the sky, especially near the top, to give it a more depth and make the clouds stand out. This step adds drama and enhances the overall realism of the scene. Again, I soften the edges where needed, ensuring everything looks natural and cohesive. This final blending step is crucial for creating a harmonious and polished look. I take my time to carefully refine the transitions and make sure there are no harsh lines. Finally, I carefully remove the masking tape. This reveals the crisp edges of the painting and gives it a finished professional look. And there you have it, a beautiful watercolor sky with soft fluffy clouds. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Painting with watercolors can be so relaxing and rewarding. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy painting!